Lieutenant James Cook was a British sailor and one of New Zealand's most celebrated explorers. Cook and his crew arrived here in Tūranganui, Akiwa on October 8, 1769. The following kōrero is based on his diary. Cook and his crew landed on the banks of the Tūranganui River at 4 p.m. Within 30 minutes, they had opened fire and Te Maru was dead. Our whanaunga was the first casualty of the collision. Before they returned to the Endeavour at 6 p.m, crew members Banks and Solander had time to steal our taonga. After only being here for 2 hours, Cook and his crew had trespassed, terrorised, killed and stolen from us. This is our collision story.